Welcome back to my wonderful analysis videos on Friday the 16th of November with me, Richard Perrin, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar, which has stabilised a bit. It sort of looked to be turning a little bit lower, but it's interesting that the market has started to sort of find a bit of support again. You look on the medium term basis, you've broken that downtrend. You did turn lower from 1860 on Wednesday, and that was below 1880 resistance, which is a key level because that is the right hand shoulder of this big head and shoulders top. So if you break above 1880, then you've aborted the pattern. But for now, we haven't yet aborted the pattern. But having broken that downtrend, you're sort of looking a bit more, certainly near to medium term, a bit of a sort of an uncertain range play, bit mixed on the outlook. But having found support yesterday at 1755, we've sort of rallied a bit and sort of stabilised. And it's interesting that this stabilisation has come as the momentum indicators on the hourly sort of have come back towards 40 again on the RSI. The MACD lines have sort of turned up around neutral. So this sort of is sort of playing, I suppose, into the whole argument that we're still looking fairly positive. You could also look at this hourly 89 hour moving average, which having turned up has become a bit of a basis of support, sort of flanking, I suppose, this uptrend that we've seen. So you are still relatively positive, I think, in this recovery, and holding on to 1755 now, I think we'd sort of maintain that. And again, if the RSI stays up above 40 on the hourly, MACD lines stay sort of solidly around or above the neutral level, I think you're still looking okay in a recovery phase. So this is still a little bit of a crossroads, and it's still a bit mixed on the outlook, purely because of the fact that we didn't break above 1880, but holding up above the old downtrend. Remains, I suppose, a positive outlook. You're above the 38.2% fib level as well. Again, sort of maintaining a near-term, sort of improving outlook. So you're sort of hanging on to the argument of this upside break, but not yet on a sustainable basis, because that would be bullish above 1880, and we're not there yet. But interesting moves on the euro nonetheless. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.